Hi, Sam Weerawarna from Yes Real Estate, and today I'm in Highett. We got a modern one-bedroom apartment with secure parking, perfect for investors and first-home buyers. Come with me, I'll show you the property. Inside, you've got a bright open-plan living and dining area flowing out to a private balcony. The kitchen comes with stone benchtops and quality appliances, while the bedroom includes a mirrored robe and balcony access. There's also a sleek bathroom, separate laundry, split system heating and cooling, plus secure entry and elevator access. You're right in the heart of Highett. 1 minute walk to the Highett train station down there. Shops, cafes and restaurants. Plus you're just minutes to Westfield Southland Shopping Centre, Bay Road, parks and the beautiful beach. It's a great lifestyle or investment opportunity. I'll see you at one of our opens.